Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, September 22nd, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed, and boy, we got hammered again today. Oh man, I tell you, I am so sick of these markets. It is just really hard to go in and trade when there just is nothing for us, and that's the way I felt today. Dow fell 107 points today, big sell-off, and yet with only five positions, we lost over $10,000. We had a very ugly trio in our portfolio of five. We had three stocks that lost just over $3,000 a piece, so it was like $9,000 plus between just those three, and then two more. Add that up, yeah, we're over $10,000 lost. 5 for 5, absolutely no winners in that 5 lot. Every single one was a negative. So I don't know what to say. I will say one good thing about this. Dow plunged 107 points today, and we only got into one position, and miraculously that one position made money. And so we are holding positive $1,400 going into tomorrow. So at least we're not dreading tomorrow. It really, well, I wish the whole market would really sell off. That's what I wish for tomorrow. But if it does, we're not going to lose money, and we've lost all the money. So anyway, bad day. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, here we're looking at this ugly Dow chart. Let me tell you, it looks ugly to me. We made new intraday highs up here, and it was a disaster for us. This move from my fourth red line up here just got us in the bunch of stuff. The stocks could not sustain these prices at all. We lost a lot of money, and we lost even more today. And then look at this. We're right back to this horrible area that I keep complaining about. I mean, if this market goes up from here, it's just going to get us into more crap like it did up here, and it isn't going to be able to. It just can't get up here and keep going. And the reason being is you got every short seller in the world jumping on this market up here, because they all can see, it's pretty clear this thing can't sustain these levels in this current market environment. So what do I want? Hey, nothing would please me better, particularly now that we only have one position, and that position is positive. I would love to see the Dow fall 300, 400 points tomorrow. I mean, that would set us up for some real profits, but I don't think that's going to happen. What I fear is this market's going to go up again tomorrow, and it'll get us in a bunch of junk, and it's not going to be worth trading. Anyway, I trade a system, but I can also complain. Anyway, I'll show you some of the charts. I mean, everything's ugly, but I'll show it to you anyway. This first one is in JRJC, China Online Finance. I told you that I showed you this on Friday. We got out of this with absolutely zero profit. Then the thing jumps up here, and we get back into it, and then it immediately pulls back. It was about $1,000 negative on the close on Friday, and then of course today just down until it stops us out, actually that's not a stop out, that's just a timed exit, but regardless, it cost us over $3,000 in JRJC. And this same kind of pattern followed even in this chart is of Athena Corporation, and we had bought this on Thursday, and then it had gone up very nicely on Friday. We had some fairly decent profits, even though it pulled back a little. And this morning when it opened, Athena was still up, looked okay right on the open, and then it just does what all these stocks did today, down, 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 and we're finally stopped out. And our losses was only $189 on this, but I mean, we went from being like up $1,200-$1,300 to going negative, so that hurt. I mean, we needed a positive today, and we got no positive today. And finally, I will show you the only one bright star today was, whoops, wrong one here. Let me see, where am I? Here we go. This was an LCI, Lanet Company. And we jumped into this. I mean, nice break. I mean, this thing just appeared to, this thing ignored totally everything that was happening in the rest of the market. And we got into this 30 minutes into the day, and it kept going. And we are holding positive $1,400 plus in Lanet Company, and that looks real good. So that's the only thing that looks good today. Everything looks terrible. Anyway, another bad day. Trader Bob is not happy. And I'll sign off now, and I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.